as they go through to complete their smear turn. The team comprising of Major Bo Scarter, Captain Mark Gentles, Captain...
Steady, go, smoke off go, where's the nose?
Watching Bock as he makes his debut over here.
Just trying to find out, go.
Rudolf Bock Muller. This is his very first show as a Silver Falcon. Major banner for Mark now moves into position number 4, the famous Falcon Starfighter. Team 75. They're all instructors of from the Central Flying School at Langebaan. The last show that we saw with the Silver Falcons was in May, when the team was led by Major Roy Sproul, who straight after that show left the South African Air Force and is now currently working for a major airline. Immediately, Bo Scarter took the team over. And as you can see over here, nice and tight as they fly their Pilatus PC-7 Mark II. Getting ready now to position for a wing over to the left. These are all the brand new PC-7 Mark IIs. They've undergone all the modifications. Beautifully painted up in the colors of the Falcon. Such a proud moment for the Falcons, knowing that they are back in the air, completing Starfighter.
Steady, go, pull up, go, smoke off, go.
Smoke comes on. 3 ship will break into Vic,
Steady,
and the 2 ship will break into line astern. Getting ready now for the split.
Falcon split, go.
There they go. 3 ship stays in Vic, the 2 ship line astern.
3 ships, smoke off, go.
Let's stay with the 2 ship. Line Falcons down. Bo Scarter leading his team here today. If you're a Silver Falcon supporter, we have a beautiful, beautiful, great big picture that's up for a raffle.
4, up, go.
And it's a raffle in aid of the ground crew. So if you'd like to take part, go to the Silver Falcon gazebo as we have a raffle. He lines it up, he watches, he gets ready to flick the aircraft. Is he going to get it right? Yep, he's right the way through. Beautiful. Saluting you. Salute, go.
Smoke off, go.
Let's give them a nice big round of applause.
Roll, go. Getting out there.